Now, very little has been said about the number of patients or the patients who are in isolation at the various holding centers. Now, Kojo Yangsing has been speaking with or has been checking up on one of the isolation centers we have. This is at the Greater Accra Region Hospital. Let's hear Dr. Srofenyo.
Each of the patients has its own area of to stay. It's self-containing, and you have your bed, you have the necessary gadgets in the room to monitor you, you have a hand sanitizer, you have your own washroom, your bath, and then your sink where you can wash your hand. Unfortunately, we have the capacity is such that we can take only maximum of 4 persons at a time. So that is one of the drawbacks of this center. It is well designed, and the environment is perfect. The isolation is so good from the main part of the hospital, but the capacity is small. That is 4.
How many patients do you have there at the moment?
Currently, to the best of my knowledge, about 2 patients are there currently.
Okay.
Yes.
What can you tell us about those patients?
Well, they are generally doing well. They are being kept there more for the purposes of isolation to minimize contact with other people. That is the main reason, not that they are particularly sick. No, we are not even giving them any major treatments, but basically for the purpose of isolation, so that they don't contact more people and create more problems.
Right, so very little has been said about how well these people are doing. So now you know that they are doing quite well. And some of what we're hearing or what we're getting from the Ghana Health Service also has to do with some good news. You can say that there apparently, so far, there's not been a case of local transmission, and that's available on the website of the Ghana Health Service. So here you have it. It says as of March 17, a total of 143 suspected cases have been tested for COVID-19 by the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research and the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research. And it goes on to talk about the latest update, the latest case, which is that of the 35-year-old male, a Ghanaian citizen who returned to Accra from France within the past 14 days. And it says this is another imported case, which brings the total number of confirmed cases to 7. The case is being managed in isolation and is in stable condition. And then this is the interesting part of it. It says, with regard to contact tracing, a total of 350 contacts have been identified and are being followed up. 2 of the contacts who developed symptoms had their samples tested, but they came out to be negative. Now, this figure of 350 has since been updated to 381. But the interesting bit is 2 of the contacts who developed symptoms had their samples tested, but they came out to be negative.